Hello kids. In last videos we learned about body parts. Okay? Such as hands, legs, eyes, nose, stomach, chest, ears, so on. Yes or no? Yes. But today we are going to learn our senses. Our senses, these are different from our body parts. Our senses are different from our body parts? No. Our senses, these are also part of our body. We have total 5 sense organs that we have in body parts only. See here, eyes. It is the sense organ. Eyes, we have 5 body part organ. In 5, first one is the eyes. Eyes help us to see the wonderful, beautiful world. Their sight, we see with our eyes, so that we should take good care of them, no? For that what we do? Look here. So that we do not sit in dim light and don't read in dark places. We should sit in proper light place, so where the light will come properly good, sufficient to read that one words, sentences carefully. That place we should read, we should sit and read the books. Don't read the book in dim light, in dark places, and don't sit very near to the television. While you watching a television, do not sit too close to the TV. See in this picture, the boy how he is reading in the dark. It is a bad habit. It is a very harmful to our eyes. See, it is very harmful to your eyes. So, you sit in light place, proper light place, and you read the books. And see in this one picture, the boy is sitting very near to the TV. The TV's light rays directly affect to your eye, so that don't sit very near to the TV. When you watch TV, you maintain proper distance. Sit on proper, not very far from TV. Maintain proper distance. Understood now? And don't see the sky with a naked eye. When you want to see in the sky, you put a goggles, specs and see. In eclipse time, some children what they will don't know, they directly going to see the sun, moon, whatever it is may be. It's a wrong. The rays are very strong, they affect on your eyes. Understood, no? So that eyes are very important, so that we take good care of them. For that, we should eat vitamin A rich fruits, vegetables. Tell me some fruit name those are having a vitamin A. Vitamin A. Orange, yes. Orange and yellow color fruits and some vegetables have vitamin A. We should eat that one. Vitamin A is good for our eyes. So that children, you should eat yellow and orange color fruits and vegetables. Main thing is avoid the playing game in mobile, because that mobile light is very harmful to your eyes. Mobile light is very harmful to your eye. Only study time you use the mobile and keep it beside. Otherwise, don't play more and more time. Don't play more times the game. Some children are always busy in playing on mobile. Instead of that one, you set down mobile and go outside, play something, physical play. Understood, kids? First sense organ is eye, and we learned about eye, how to take care of that one. Okay? See, next again is there, avoid reading in a moving vehicle too. Avoid reading in a moving vehicles. Read with the light from over your shoulders. Sit upright when you read. Avoid playing with the sharp pointed objects. They may hurt your eyes. Always wash your eyes with the clean water. Again, main one thing is the kids, you are very small, no? You don't know when you play with a sharp pointed object that by chance accidents will happen with your eyes, because it's a very soft part. So that avoid the playing with a sharp pointed objects. Needle, scissor, nail, small sticks. You are playing with that one, no? Yeah, I know. Okay. Now next, you don't play with that sharp pointed objects. Okay? Next part is ear. We have how many ears? How many ears we have? 2. And you know what is the help of ears? Yes, ears help us to hear. The world is full of wonderful sound. Listen, do you hear them? See in this picture, beat of drum, sound of alarm clock, chirping of birds. Are you hearing? Yeah. Avoid listening to music in a closed room or through. Sound is okay, good to hear, but very loud sound is a very dangerous, harmful to our ears. Nowadays you are putting headphone in your ears and you are listening songs, sound something different listening ना, डीजे वो ये कुछ तो सुनते रहते हो, वो बहुत हार्मफुल रहता है। इसीलिए आपको माइल्ड म्यूजिक सुनना चाहिए। आवाज़ भी जो भी सुनते हैं उसका आवाज़ भी माइल्ड होना चाहिए, हार्मफुल नहीं होना चाहिए। Do not put any sharp pointed objects in your ears. कान में कौन सा भी कोई भी थिंग्स नहीं डालना। छोटे बच्चे क्या करते हैं, हाथ में लकड़ी मिला तो कान में, पेपर मिला तो कान में, जो भी मिला तो कान में डालते। इट्स अ रॉन्ग हैबिट। अवॉइड दैट वन बिकॉज ईयर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन आवर लाइफ। You want to hear something beautiful sounds? Yeah. So avoid this type of things. Clean them gently with a soft towels. Every day clean with that properly and wipe that one with the soft towels. And don't listen the music in a locked room. Loud sound, don't listen that one. Understood? Ear is the second one in of our sense organs. Eye first, ear second, nose next, nose.